Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write an email on the AI chatbot assistant application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen and then tap on the view all button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the first option in the first column and first row in the upper left corner. Tap on it and here you can see the suggestions or the examples how to use this feature. So you should give an instruction in terms of the requirements concerning the email that you would like to generate, such as I want you to write an email to inform the suppliers that we need to delay their payments, write me an email to the finance department, and so on and so forth. So type in the instructions and the email that you want to generate, so the topic, the recipient, and so on. Type it in, click on send, and here you will be able to find the email containing the subject, the body of the text, and the greetings and so on. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.